Good morning, y'all. It's the dude in the box truck. This dude's tired today. I wish I was in the bed for a couple more hours, but here we are. We got a 18-wheeler for breakfast. I guess we're gonna get our steps in early today. 18-wheeler's done. About to start loading up our trucks. Looks like we got another mountain run. I think it's about 5 or 6 stops. About to fill up on def. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. We got this truck loaded to the brim. So that's one full job. We got another full job on a big truck that we unloaded yesterday off the 18-wheeler. And then we're gonna load a little bit of stuff on the small truck, and then we're gonna skedaddle. This what's on the other truck. Not much at all, just a vinyl job. Some trapezoids. That goes with one of the big jobs off the screens. There should be an astragal on here, but I guess he put it on the other truck. Well, we loaded up. We en route to stop number 1. Looks like it's up 52, a little south of LJ.
Put it in there. You don't put it in like the UV, right?
Yeah, put it right in there. Get 30 minutes down the road. The cooler light comes on the big truck. Just a little mishap. We'll make it work. Got the cooling issue fixed. On the road again. Man, this is the second stop we got for the coolant. I think a sensor's bad because he filled it up to the max. It's still saying coolant, light came back on, but the reserve tank's still where it's at. I don't know, but we're gonna keep riding. I told him to keep an eye on the temperature. Made it to the gate. It's an all right job. Wait.
Should just jump straight through that one with the plastic and everything. Put that on. Put that on. Mike just gonna jump straight through there. We're gonna put you on camera.
I ain't the stunt.
Mike said, come on, man. Let's get this done.
Ready?
Chris, when you get back, jump through that window.
Boom. It's a done deal. He said, go up this gravel road all the way to the top. That's all right. Oh, he's spinning. He might not be able to make this. Well, I made the first switch back. Said there's 3 of these bad boys. There's 2. Come on, baby. I'm spinning. This truck normally don't spin. Drop it in first real quick. Golly. He said there's 3 switchbacks. There's a lot more than 3, it seems. I hope we can turn around up here. I hope we don't have to back down this thing. Whew. We made it. Boy, look at this job site. Installer's gonna be mad, but we got to put them down here at the bottom. 'Cause look at that. I'm not lifting these doors and windows up 12 foot in the air. Sorry. Not sorry. They can see everything from up here. That's for sure. Bad boy was full when we started. We almost done. It's a bullshit ass job though.
They should have better,
Grippies?
like a plastic thing. So
They used to never break like that. I don't know why they started. Within the last
yeah.
3 years maybe, they start breaking. Cheaper quality cardboard, I guess. This job on the right we're gonna do on Tuesday, I think they said. Tuesday or Thursday. Hopefully it's a halfway decent job site. He said go to the first gravel road with the really nice entrance. That's my landmark. This looks really nice, but that could be an opinion. And then we said we got to follow this up to the new construction. Ain't got no rails. I'm gonna kill myself trying to see this view. My fat ass got up here though. It's getting down. That's gonna be the booty part. Oh man. You can see for miles. Yes, sir. She juicy. Good googly moogly. Where you at? Ooh, it's in your shoe.
Oh, look, they got me a cleaning thing.
Yep. People don't pick up their roofing nails. We get them in the foot. Look at all these roofing nails, man. Got one more row. And we done with this job. I got a pretty nice river view. We got some ducks. I like it. It's the last stop. Boom, just this little asterisk going here. There's Early down there in the corner. I don't know if you've seen him. Old Squidbilly boy walks the tram. We did it, baby. It's still light outside too. Not too shabby. Did about 10.5 hours and called a day. It's a good Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. This dude in the box truck.